Every Monday, I'll remind you that I don't care about what you think about what I'm going to say. Guess what? 4 months ago, I said to you, Pirates has a good coach. Show them the clip. I told you that OUADDOU is a good coach. Now, let me repeat my words. I do not care what you say about this. I'll stand by my word. I'm not moving an inch that ABDESLAM OUADDOU is the best coach in South Africa currently. If you're in denial, your problem. Your eyes are there to see. Your mind is there to capture. You know I'm telling the truth. Who had thought Pirates would win 2 trophies by now, including the most elusive trophy, the Carling KO. In any version or form, they'd only won it once in 2011, 2012, when they won the Telkom.
Sports. Break it down. Africa's premier sports destination.